Hi guys, welcome to Mini Shorts again. Very quick one today. Just wanted to talk about the engine and subframe, just show you where that is. So obviously it's just sat here. We lifted the car, the whole body, over the top of the engine and subframe. Actually lifted it. See if I can show you. Actually lifted it using a combination of ratchet straps and jacks, and then we rolled the engine out the front, although unfortunately somehow it has managed to end up in gear, so it's incredibly hard to move it around now. Not huge amounts happened on that since. Just removed the radiator from this end, removed the fan so I can get some access in there, so I can turn it over occasionally, just on the end here. Well, it might be a bit dark in there, I'm not sure if you can see, but if you can't see, I've just got a mole grip on the end of the shaft so I can stop it seizing up. The only other thing that's happened to it is we have had it outside and I've been over it with a toothbrush and auto gleam. I'll see if I can find that and show that to you, and then also with this power washer in there, just to remove the absolute worst of the, I suppose, grime and oil and anything else. One second, I will see if I can. No, I can't see it. If I know what it is later, I'll let someone know. Oh no, here we go. Found it. There's the radiator. So it's this product here, Auto Gleam engine and machine cleaner. Seemed to work pretty well. So I used about a third of it. So yeah, read up online that was recommended, although potentially I could have just used paraffin. You'll see, got a couple of bits of plastic over it. Just try and keep the Dizzy dry. Use a glove here over the end of some of the brake lines. So yeah, that's it for now guys. Thanks for joining us on another Mini Shorts.